A little bit more detail how you can organize your videos into your Google Drive. So these would be Zoom videos, most likely that you have either taken just from a Zoom or when you've been live streaming and recording your class also using the swivel. Those all save as Zoom videos. And one of the easiest way to organize them is to just use your Google Drive. So I am in my Drive right now, and I'm going to walk through the process from the beginning. The first thing I would do is I would create a folder for my videos, and I would probably name my folder something like Zoom videos or 2020, 2021 Zoom videos. Something that makes sense to you and that you will remember. After you click save or create, it's going to go ahead and create that folder for you in your Google Drive. So I have all of my Drive organized in folders at the top. So now you can see that 2020, 2021 Zoom videos has been made. And I'm going to open that folder. And now here I'm going to put some more folders. So you can put folders within folders in Google Drive. I will just do two. For an example, maybe I teach reading and I want there to be a folder just for reading so I can separate these out by subject. And then maybe one of my other subjects that I teach is social studies. And I am recording social studies, so I'm going to add another folder and put that one in here as social studies. Usually works pretty good to set up your folders first, and instead of creating them as you upload videos, just because it makes it a little bit easier for organizing your videos. I feel like I have multiple folders trying to be created right now. Once you have your folders made, you can upload files directly to them. So one option you have is to open the subject area, go over to the new, click File Upload. You're then going to go to your Documents folder, find your Zoom folder, and then pick which of these you want to upload. So you would click the video that fits a reading that you want to upload. When I open that, it's going to start the upload down here in the corner, and I can monitor the progress. And I can be uploading videos directly from that Documents folder into the right folder that I created in my Google Drive. If you have videos in your Google Drive already because you have posted them into Google Classroom and they have just automatically duplicated into your Drive, you can go ahead and move those videos into your new folder. So I'm going to scroll down and find a video that I have in here. We'll just do this one. To get that, I'm going to click down with two fingers on my MacBook, and that should open up a drop-down menu. In here, I have an option to move to. When I click that, I'm going to be able to move this video around my Drive. So once it loads, I'm going to see that I want to put it in the 2020-2021 Zoom videos folder. I'll put this one in social studies, and I'll click move here. Now if I go up and double check that, go into my Zoom videos, go into social studies, there's the video that I just moved. So you can organize from videos that are on your computer, just in your Documents folder, or you can go ahead and organize the videos that are already in your Google Drive. Then separate them by content area or whatever makes sense for you. But this is nice because once they are uploaded in Google Drive, you can go ahead and delete them out of your Documents folder. There's no need to keep them there in that folder, and then that will free up storage space on your computer. Hopefully that helps you with organizing your videos in Google Drive.